Good morning, campers and RVers. There she is, sleeping. We've already been out for our walk. And she ate breakfast. And now I'm busy. Just made my oatmeal and coffee. And I decided to tackle the refrigerator this morning. It's 37 degrees. And I thought it would be a great time to get in here and remove everything from the freezer and the refrigerator and let everything defrost. As you can see, it's loaded with ice, and also in the refrigerator, and that's not running very efficiently with all of that ice in both of those compartments. So I decided to go ahead and take care of that today. Here is all of my food that was in the refrigerator, and we'll just let it sit out here. It's 37 degrees, so it's not going to spoil out here. And once everything gets defrosted, I'll put it away. So I'll check back with you later. Nice brisk morning. Well, all cleaned up. Defrosted the freezer and also the refrigerator. Plus I cleaned it out, so it should run definitely more efficiently. Now I can load the refrigerator back up with my groceries. Well, there it is. All loaded back up. Got rid of all of that ice that was on the back of the refrigerator. It's all nice and clean. And the freezer has more space now without all of that ice. I need to do this more often than what I have been. It's just so much nicer. It's just taking the time to do it. Getting all cleaned up. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.